So I've teamed up with the incredible Kasuri to make this insanely good, spicy hot honey chicken burger with incredible Asian slaw. First up, we're going to add our yogurt to our bowl along with our honey, chopped coriander, garlic and chili flakes. Add some spicy sriracha sauce, a splash of yuzu citrus seasoning or some lime. Season and give it a good mix. Add in the sliced chicken breasts and coat with the marinade. Add the panko breadcrumbs to a tray and coat the chicken all over. Now you can place that coated chicken into the incredible 6.4 litre Kasuri dual blaze air fryer. Select 180 Celsius for 10 minutes each side. Now using the 360 thermal IQ technology, this will distribute the heat throughout the process to perfectly cook the chicken twice as fast as an oven and will give you that perfect crispy finish. And you can also use the VSync app remotely for recipes and to perfectly control the results of your dish. Now for our really vibrant coleslaw, we're going to finely chop some cabbage, some carrots, spring onion, apple, some pickled cabbage. Make sure you add some of that pickle juice, coriander, mixed sesame seeds, some sesame oil and some sweet chili sauce. Give that a good season and a mix. Now we're going to toast our 2 brioche rolls, add the sriracha to some plain mayonnaise and spoon that onto the rolls. We're going to remove our perfectly cooked chicken. Now finally add that chicken, the slaw and that roll top. Cut in half and enjoy. And there we have it, that is the Kasuri dual blaze air fryer, spicy hot honey chicken and Asian inspired slaw.